Welcome to class 7 mathematics classes. We are in chapter lines and angles, exercise 17C. In the figure or in each of the figure, that means few more figures are there. In each of the figures given below, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Find the unknown angles giving regions. So here we have to find the unknown angles, means X, Y, okay, and these two lines are parallel to each other. This EC we can take it as transversal here, okay, transversal of these two lines. So according to figure, X plus 75, okay, gives us as 180 degree, because these two lines, these two angles are co-interior angles. So sum of co-interior angles is equals to 180 degree. So that is why we can write X plus 75 degree is equals to 180 degree, as these two are co-interior angles, okay. So therefore X is equals to 180 minus 75, so which is equals to 105 degree. X we have found. For Y, X plus Y is equals to 180 degree, because these two are linear pair, or you can go for these two also. These two are alternate angles, okay. So Y is equals to 75 degree you can write, because these two are alternate angles, or you can go for linear pair of these two, X plus Y, okay. Let us see whether it will come 75 or not, okay. Let us go for linear pair. Y plus X degree is equals to 180 degree, as X comma Y, X degree comma Y degree are linear pair. So the value of X we got 105. Therefore Y we are getting 180 minus 105, which is equals to 75 degree. So if we go for alternate, you will get directly. If you go for linear pair, you have to do plus minus here. Next is 8, 2 number we will go for. In this figure, AB and CD, these two lines are parallel, and BC is the transversal here. We have to find the value of X, Y and Z, okay. So according to figure, Y and this 70 together, this and this angle, these two, this angle and this angle, this angle and this angle corresponding to each other, but this angle is the sum of this Y and 70, okay. So the sum of Y and 70 will be equal to 130, because this and this is corresponding angles. So according to figure, Y plus 70 degree is equals to 130 degree. The reason is corresponding angles, okay. This one is Y degree. So therefore Y degree is equals to 130 minus 70, so which will be equal to your 60 degree here. Now Y plus 70 plus X, this whole gives us 180 degree, because angles at a point on a straight line, the sum of the angles at a point on a straight line is equals to 180 degree. So this plus this plus this is equals to 180 degree. So Y degree plus 70 degree plus X degree is equals to 180 degree, because angles at a point on a straight line is equals to 180 degree. The value of y we have got here 60, this, and x we are going to find 180 degree. So x will be equal to 180 degree. Sum of these two is 130. So 130 minus here. So therefore x is equals to 50 degree. Okay, x also we have formed. Now z and this angle and this angle, you see this line, this angle and this angle alternate to each other. So z is equal to 70 degree. Why? Because alternate angles. Okay, 3 number, 3 number, AB and CD, these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, and this is P, QP and PR. QP is one transversal and PR is another transversal. We have to find the value of X, Y, Z. Okay, so according to figure, here is 120 degree. Okay, in the question here it is 120 degree, and here 115 degree. So we have to find X, Y, Z. So this X and this 120, these two are co-interior angles. So co-interior angles, the sum is equals to 180 degree. According to figure, x degree plus 120 degree is equals to 180 degree, because these two are co-interior angles. Okay, so x degree we can get by subtracting 120 from 180, so which is equals to 60 degree. Okay, now this x and y, these two together, x and y, these two together, see properly here, this together, the angle is alternate to this angle, isn't it? This angle is alternate to this angle, and this angle is the sum of x plus y, which is equals to 115. So here we can write x degree plus y degree is equals to 115 degree. Why? Alternate angles. So x, the value we have got 60 degree, and y we have to find. So y degree is equals to 115 minus 60 degree, which is equals to 55 degree. So y we have got, and z plus 150, these two are co-interior angles, z and 115 co-interior angles, the sum is equals to 180, and z degree plus 115 degree is equals to 180 degree, as these two are co-interior angles, and co-interior angles for parallel lines is equals to 180. The sum of co-interior angles is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so z degree is equals to 180 minus 115, which is equals to 65 degree. So we have got x, y and z here. Next is 4 number. 4 number, here you can see AB and CD, these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, now we have to find x, y and z. So here you can see 30 degree and Z and 100, these three angles are at a point, and the sum of angles at a point on a straight line is equals to 180 degree. So we can find Z here in this manner according to figure. 30 degree plus Z degree plus 100 degree is equals to 180 degree. Why? These three angles are at a point on a line. The sum is equals to 180 degree. So here Z will be equal to 180 minus the sum of these two is 130. When it goes that side, it will become minus 130. So Z is equals to 50 degree. Okay, Z is equals to 50 degree here. Now Z and X, this line and this line is parallel to each other, and this is the transversal. So this angle and this angle alternate to each other. That means Z and X are equal. Okay, so X degree is equals to Z degree Y. These two are alternate angles. Okay, so therefore X degree is equals to 50 degree. And now for Y we'll find this way: Y degree and Z plus 30, these two, this angle, see properly here, this angle and this angle, these two angles are co-interior angles, isn't it? Well, we consider this line and this line as parallel lines. Okay, and this as the transversal, AE as the transversal, then this angle and this angle are co-interior angles. So sum is equals to 180 degree, and Y degree plus Z plus 30 degree, this two is this angle, the sum of these two is this angle. So here is equals to 180 degree. Y, co-interior angles. Okay, so now it's easy to find Y, isn't it? Z is equals to 50 degree here. So 50 plus 30 degree is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so we'll solve for Z. No, we'll solve for Y. Z we have found. So we can get here Y is equals to 180 minus how much? 50 and 30 is also 80. 180 minus 80. So therefore Y we got as 100 degree. Next is same question number 8.5. So here 5 number, A, B and CD, these two lines are parallel to each other, and we have to find the value of X. Okay, now according to figure, what we can see, angle CDE, this angle CDE, and angle DAB, this angle and this angle, these two angles are alternate to each other, isn't it? So let's find this angle at first, which is not asked. We have to find this angle Y to get the value of X. So we'll start from this angle. Okay, angle CDE, that means this angle, is equals to angle DAB, that means this angle DAB. Why they are equal? Alternate angles So therefore angle DAB is equals to 35 degree, as angle CDE is equals to 35 degree. Okay, now if this is 35 degree, you can see this shape, this is a triangle. Okay, the sum of the angles in a triangle, sum of the all the angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So here you can, now in triangle CDE, okay, this triangle CDE, angle E plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. Yes or no? The sum of the triangle, the sum of the angles of a triangle. This is the region of sum of angles of a triangle. Okay, so here angle E is x degree, angle C is 75, and angle D we have found as 35 degree. So here 180 degree. So now x will be equal to 180 minus 75, this also goes that side, minus 35, so which will be equal to 180 minus 110, these two together 110, which is equals to 70 degree. Okay, so x we got as 70 degree. Next is 6 number. 6 number, where the line AB and CD parallel to each other, this dotted line is drawn just to calculate this x. Okay, so this line and this line, these two are parallel to each other, and this line is drawn parallel to this and this. Okay, to calculate the value of x. So here let this line, let EMF, that is this line EMF, this line is parallel to AB, parallel to this line, and again this line EMF, the line EMF is parallel to this line too. Okay, that means this line is parallel to this also, this also. Now we have to find the value of x. Okay, this line is drawn to find the value of this x only. So here, according to figure, angle ABM, this angle, okay, ABM is equals to angle BMF, isn't it? As this is the transversal for these two lines, BM is the transversal. When this BM is the transversal, then this angle and this angle is equal, isn't it? Because these two angles are alternate to each other. So angle ABM is equals to angle BMF. Why? Alternate angles. These two are alternate angles. Therefore, angle BMF, this angle is equals to BMF is equals to how much? This angle is equals to 150 degree. Okay. Now about this and this angle we'll see, and angle CDM, this angle CDM is equals to angle DMF, this angle and this angle are alternate to each other in case of this line and this line. Okay, this line, this angle and this angle alternate to each other, so that is why this angle and this angle is also equal. So that is angle DMF. These two are alternate, write the region here. Therefore angle DMF is equals to 130 degree. Now to find the value of x, if we see this, we got as 150 degree and this we got as 130 degree. This plus this and plus x plus this x also, what will be the sum? The sum is 360 degree, isn't it? Angles at a point, sum of the angles at a point is equals to 360 degree, that we know. So now x degree plus angle BMF plus angle DMF is equals to 360 degree. BMF means BMF, this angle, and DMF means this angle, plus x degree is equals to 360 degree. The reason is angles at a point. Now we'll solve for x. We'll solve for x. Here x degree, the value of this one we have got as 150 degree and value of this one as 130 degree is equals to 360 degree. Yeah, so x degree will be equal to your, first let us add this, it is 280 degree and x will be 360 minus 280, so which is equals to 80 degree. Therefore x is 80 degree. Okay, now this figure is 8-7 number, where AB and CD, these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, and we have to find the value of this x. To find the value of this x, let us draw one line passing through this M. Okay, which is parallel to AB and CD also. So let us draw one line here parallel to AB and CD, taking the help of this pen I am doing. Okay, suppose this line is passing through this M and parallel to AB also and CD also. The name of the line let us give as EMF. Okay, here the angle given is 90 degree in our question only. Okay, this is not given by me. Okay, this is given in the question. So we have to find the value of x degree. Now here, like in question number 6, we have drawn one line parallel to AB and CD. Then after we'll try to find the value of x. Okay, so here you can see angle BMF is equals to x degree. Why? This line and this line parallel to each other, and BM is the transversal, and this x and this angle is alternate to each other, so that is why this angle is also equal to x degree, isn't it? So according to figure, angle BMF, this angle, is equals to 80 degree. Why? Alternate angles. Okay, these two are alternate angles. Now angle DMF, that means this angle, DMF, and this angle, these two are alternate to each other. When EF and CD are parallel and MD is the transversal, then this angle and this angle, these two angles are alternate to each other, so alternate angles are equal. Angle DMF is equals to 140 degree. Alternate angles. Okay, so now here at this point, this is x degree, this is 140 degree, and this one is 90 degree. So sum of this and this is equals to 360 degree, because angles at a point, sum of angles at a point. Therefore 90 degree plus angle BMF plus angle DMF is equals to 360 degree. Why? Because angles at a point is equals to sum of the angles at a point is equals to 360 degree. So here 90 degree angle BMF is, this is x degree, this one is 140 degree, isn't it? So the value of this one is x degree and this is 140 degree. So now it is easy to calculate x now. X degree plus 230. So x is equals to 360 minus 230. So therefore x we got as 130 degree. Okay. Next is 8 number. Question number 8 number, where AB, the line AB is parallel to CD. Okay. And we have to find the value of this x. So let us draw one imaginary line parallel to this AB and this CD, passing through this point M. Okay, so this line is parallel to CD and AB. So name, let us give E M F. Okay, so we will find the value of x. Like in previous question also, we have drawn this line parallel and we have tried to find the value of x. In this question also, in same manner, we'll go for, according to figure, angle AME, this angle is equals to 40 degree. Why? Because this line and this line parallel to each other and AM is the transversal. That is why this angle and this angle alternate to each other and they are equal. So angle AME is equals to 40 degree, alternate angles, and angle CME, this angle is alternate to this angle. When CD and EF are parallel to each other, then this angle and this angle are also equal as they are alternate to each other, this angle. Okay, I mean this angle only. So this angle and this angle alternate to each other and it's equals to 50 degree. Angle CME is equals to 50 degree. It is alternate angles. Okay, these two are alternate angles. So now x we have to find. X is equals to, you can see easily, this angle plus this angle is x, isn't it? This angle and this angle is x, the sum of these two. So x degree is equals to angle AME plus angle CME. Angle AME is equals to 40 degree and angle CME is equals to 50 degree. So sum is equals to 90 degree. So therefore x degree is equals to 90 degree. So in this manner we have found the value of x. Question number 9. In each of the following figures, AB is parallel to CD. Okay, this line and this line parallel to each other. Find the unknown angles giving regions. Okay, so on unknown angles here we can see y degree, x degree, t degree, z degree. We have to find the values of these unknown angles. Okay, so here let us try to find, according to figure, angle A, no, we'll see x degree at first. Okay, x degree at first here, because this one is easy here. Okay, these two are linear pair and these two are vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angles are also equal and linear pair is equals to 180 degree. So x and y we can easily find. So let us go for x at first. X degree is equals to 180 minus 100 degree, because linear pair. Okay, these two are linear pair and the sum is equals to 180. So that is why I have subtracted here x degree as 180 minus 100. So therefore x is equals to 80 degree and y degree is equals to 120 degree. Why? According to figure it is vertically opposite angle, or angles you can write here. Now z is equal to 180 minus y degree. Okay, because linear pair, this and this is corresponding angles. Okay, y degree and this angle is corresponding to each other. Okay, so these two are equal and this plus this is equals to 180, isn't it? So y will take it as here, this also is as y degree, this also as y degree. So y plus z degree gives us linear pair. So z degree here we can write as 180 minus y degree. Y we have got as 120 degree. So z is equals to 60 degree. Here we can write the region as linear pair. Okay, and x, y, z we have found. Now t, this t and this one is z degree, no, vertically opposite angle. This and this is z, this is z, then this is also z degree, because these two are vertically opposite angle. So z plus t, these two are co-interior angles. The sum of co-interior angles is equals to 180 degree. So t degree is also equal to 180 minus how much? Z we have got as 60 degree, isn't it? So here we can go for this Z, but these two lines are not parallel. Okay, these two lines are not parallel, so we cannot go for this and this. This will be valid if the lines are parallel, but here this and this line are parallel to each other, so we can go for this angle and this angle, isn't it? So the co-interior angles, this and this, gives us 180 degree. So that is why t degree will be equal to 180 minus this 100 degree, as the sum of two co-interior angles, that is here this and this, is equals to 180. To get this one we can subtract this from 180. So co-interior angles. Okay, so t is equals to 80 degree. So we have got x also, y, z and t also. Okay, so number 2, question number 9, number 2. In this figure, AB and CD, these two lines are parallel to each other, and here DH and EF, two transversals. Okay, we have to find x, y, z and t. So according to figure, x degree is equals to 50 degree. Okay, these two are alternate to each other. Here 50 is given, So this line and this line parallel to each other, and this line is the transversal. So this angle and this angle alternate to each other. So it is given 50 degrees, so it will be also 50 degree. So x is equals to 50 degree alternate angles. Okay, y is here, y degree is equals to 120 degree, isn't it? Corresponding angles, this angle and this angle corresponding to each other. When this EF is the transversal and AB and CD parallel lines, then these two are corresponding to each other, isn't it? So this will be equal to each other. So therefore y degree is equals to 120 degree corresponding angles. Okay, now z plus x, these two are linear pair. Okay, so z plus x degree is equals to 180 degree, as these two are linear pair. Okay, so the value of z we have to find, x we have got as 50 degree here. So z will be equal to 180 minus 50 degree, that is 130 degree. Therefore z is equals to 130 degree. Now t is just vertically opposite to this 120, so the value of t will be equal to 120 only. So t degree is equals to 120 degree. Why? Because vertically opposite angle according to the figure, isn't it? Next is question number 10. In the given figure, L is parallel to M. This line L is parallel to line M, and line P is parallel to line Q. Okay, and we have to find the value of x, y, z. So according to figure here, x degree is equals to 70 degree, because these two are alternate to each other, isn't it? X degree is equals to 70 degree alternate angles, and y and x, these two are equal, they are also alternate to each other, isn't it? So therefore y is equals to x degree alternate angles, it is also equals to 70 degree. Now z plus x, these two together gives a linear pair, and the sum is equals to 180. So z degree plus x degree is equals to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair, isn't it? Linear pair. So z plus x is 70 degree here, 180 degree. So z will be 180 minus 70, which is equals to 110 degree, isn't it? So therefore we have got x, y, z. Next is question number 11. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. That means this is parallel to this also, this also, this parallel to this also, this also. These three lines are parallel to each other. Okay, and we have to find the value of x, y, and z. So here we can do according to figure. Okay, here x degree is equals to 140 degree, because these two angles are alternate angles. So x degree is equals to 140 degree, as these two angles are alternate angles. Okay, Now this x, y and 120, this is equals to 360 degree, because here at a point the angles formed is equals to 360 degree. Okay, so here x plus y plus 120 is equals to 360 degree. Why? The sum of angles at a point. So x we have got 140, y we have to find. So here the sum is equals to 260, y degree is equals to 360 minus the sum of these two, that is 260 degree. So therefore y degree is equals to this minus this 100 degree. So y we have got. Now for z, y plus z, these two are co-interior angles. Okay, y plus z degree is equals to 180 degree, because these two are co-interior angles. The sum of co-interior angles is equals to 180 degree. You write the regions. Okay, that means y is equals to 100 here, and z we have to find 180 degree. Z degree is equals to 180 minus 100 degree. So therefore z also we have got as 80 degree. So x, y, z, all the unknown angles we have found. Next is 12 number. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD and EF. Okay, so AB is parallel to CD and it is parallel to EF. Okay, AD is parallel to BE also. These two lines are also parallel. Find X, Y and Z. Okay, so here according to figure, angle DAB, this is 115, plus angle ABE, that means AB means this angle, ABE, this angle, these two angles, this angle ABE, this angle. Okay, these two together makes angle ABE. Okay, and so these two are co-interior angles, this angle and this angle, co-interior angles. The sum will be equal to 180 degree. So angle DAB plus angle ABE is equals to 180 degree, co-interior angles, isn't it? This one is equals to 115 degree, and this one is the sum of these two, x plus 30 degree. 115 plus x plus 30 is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so we'll solve for x. X will be equal to 180 minus the sum of these two, that is 145. So x we have got as 35 degree. So x is equals to 35 degree. Now y is equals to 115, because these two are alternate angles. Y degree is equals to 115 degree. Why? Because according to figure, these two angles are alternate angles. Okay, for Z we have to see this 115 plus the sum of these two. Okay, this angle and this angle, 115 minus this 30 plus x. No, this angle Z and this angle, the sum of these two angles, and this angle are alternate to each other. Okay, the sum of x and 30 will be equal to Z, isn't it? Because these two angles are alternate angles. Don't see this one now, just see this sum of these two angles and this angle. These two are alternate to each other, so Z will be equal to the sum of these two angles. Okay, Z degree is equals to 30 plus x. So x we have found as 35. 30 plus 35 gives us how much? 65 degree. So therefore Z is equals to 65 degree. Next is question number 13. Question number 13. In the given figure, line L is parallel to M and N. This line is N, this line is L, and this line is M. These three lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so in the same manner, line P, line R, and line Q, these three lines are also parallel to each other. We have to find the values of X, Y, Z, and T. Okay, so according to figure, X is equal to 180 minus 100 degree, because these two angles are co-interior angles. Co-interior angle, the sum we know, that is equal to 180 degree. So x degree is equals to 180 minus 100 degree co-interior angles. So x is equals to 80 degree, and x and y, these two are corresponding angles, so they are equal. So x degree is equals to y degree, corresponding angles. Okay, therefore y is also equal to 80 degree, and this z and x, these two are also alternate angles, these two are also equal. So that is why we can write x degree is equals to z degree, because alternate angles, therefore z is also equal to 80 degree. And about this t is alternate to this 100 degree, t and 100, these two are alternate angles, so therefore t degree is equals to 100 degree. Why? These two 100 and t, these two are alternate angles. Okay.